Good morning to all. Welcome to the new session 2020 and 21. So, as we all know, due to the COVID-19, we are staying at our home and staying safe because we are promoting the more learning through the online source and the online study. We made a group of teachers and the students. We are going to encourage all the students to participate and to study at home, stay safe, study online. And today I'm going to teach you computer science. So this is your chapter first, and the chapter's name is Linux operating system. Further talking about the Linux operating system, I would like to show you first representation of the operating system. So here we have user, application software, operating system, as well as the computer hardware. So here is the operating system. It is the program that is being initially loaded into the computer by a boot program and manages all the applications programs in a computer. So the application programs make use of the operating system is making requests for the services through a defined application interface, means API. So in addition, I would like to tell only that the user can interact directly with the operating system through a user GUI interface and command line interface, means CLI and GUI. Okay, now we are coming to the chapter Linux operating system. Here we have a networking concepts. So in networking, first we have to know what is network. So a network, it is a set of devices or a nodes that can be connected by the communication media or a channel. Here you are watching, there is a communication media is like a sender, receiver, one who is sending the message, one who is receiving the message is a receiver, and there is a medium. So create a message first, receiver is going to receive the message first, and the medium is using the carries the message through the cable. Okay, like I'm talking about a printer, a computer, any machine that is capable of communicating on the network is referred to the device or a node. And a computer network, it is the interconnection of various computers to share software, hardware, and the data through a communication medium between them. And a computer that is connected in a network share the files, folders, applications, resources like scanners, webcams, printers, etc. So internet, it is the best example of the computer network. Here you're watching the sender and the receiver. Both the verbal and the non-verbal message is going to send by the sender and receiving by the receiver, and feedback is given both of the sides. Here you are watching, the both of the sides is arrow is going to show. So this is your feedback. So data communication refers to the transmission of a digital data between two or a more computers or a computer network or data network. It is a telecommunications network that allows a computer to exchange the data, and physical connection between the network computing the devices is established using the either by the cable media through the cable or wireless media. So it is best known the computer network, it is the internet. Okay, it's all for today. So repeat this video if you miss any point, and tomorrow we will study about the computer networks component. Thank you. Have a nice day.